Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in digital assets. Today, we're diving into how to send USDT from Robinhood to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT seamlessly between these popular platforms, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates, as crypto rules can change quickly. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need an active account on both Robinhood and Coinbase, with some USDT already in your Robinhood wallet. Also, verify your identity on both platforms if you haven't already. It's crucial for security. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your crypto wallet section and select USDT from your holdings. Once you're there, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually easy to find. Step 2. You'll need to enter the destination wallet address. Head over to your Coinbase account, go to your USDT wallet, and copy the address. Paste it carefully into the Robinhood withdrawal form. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Specify the amount of USDT you want to send. Robinhood might show you any applicable fees, so keep an eye on that to ensure you're not sending more than intended. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and authorize the transaction, probably with two-factor authentication for extra security. After that, step 4. Wait for the transfer to process. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, log back into Coinbase and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. A quick word of caution: fees can vary, so compare them between platforms. Also, if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. By 2025, regulations might have evolved, so stay informed. There you have it. That's how you send USDT from Robinhood to Coinbase. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.